These colours, I can't believe I'm leaving this with you. I'm a bit nervous, but no, that's cool. I'll leave it with you. I mean, looking at the array of colours now. Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine. Howdy guys, welcome back to the channel, and luckily the CBR is in one piece after the first track day that I did at Cadwell Park. But what's going to be happening today is, well, it's a bit of a last minute thing really. It's not planned. This will be a vlog today. Because I spoke to my mate at GT Grafix who sorted us out with this cat, Joe. There'll be a link down below, and after speaking to Joe was like, why don't we wrap your bike? Why don't we make her look half decent? And she looks alright as it is, but could definitely do with a tidying up. So after speaking to Joe, we've had a chat, and basically the chat was that I have no idea how this bike is going to get wrapped. And I said fair enough, let's go for it. So basically, I'm going to de-sticker it today. You can see all the stickers already on her. Because what you don't want to do is wrap over them. You can do it, but it's just going to look crap. So we're going to de-sticker all the old stickers with a heat gun, hopefully. And that should hopefully go to plan. Load her up into the van. We'll go and drop her off at GT Grafix. Have a look around there, see what they do. And yeah, obviously the next video on the bike will hopefully be us wrapping her. So this will be just a quick vlog today. And just winging it. I've got several other projects on the go, as you probably know. So we've got the CBR, we've got the T5 van, which is now running, thank God. That's a huge project that I should have never took on. Then after that, we've got the taxi, which I've never ever shown you. So that's a pink taxi that I own with my mates, and we've driven that around the Nürburgring, so I really want to show you guys that. And also we've got the C1 race car, which is coming together nicely, nice and slow. So if you haven't seen that already in your petrol head, definitely go and take a look. So there's some nice little projects going on. Nothing is actually complete, but whenever is it complete. So yeah, gonna crack on, gonna de-sticker this, get it down to my good mate Joe in the van, which I'm all happy about now because that's running. And yeah, that's it. Let's crack on. Now, I'm not gonna video me peeling every sticker because that'd be goddamn boring. So let's just try with the first one. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose the will to live. This will be fun. And as you can see, there's all sticky residue that's been left on, so we're gonna have to get that off. You can use a bit of petrol or a bit of tire remover or glim, something like that. So that should be fun. We'll give her a wash and then she should be ready to go. Now, is it just me that likes keeping these? Because that's my first track day at Cadwell Park, 14th of May, especially on a bike. So I feel like I want to sort of keep this one. I don't know why, it's a bit sad, isn't it? I mean, where do you put that? If you look round that cave, you'll see my old ones. So this is my old Megane and my old Nova and all the different track days I did in there. So we need to create one for the motorbike. So we'll just stick this. GT Grafix to meet my mate Joe. We're just going to go through some colour swatches, maybe get an idea of a colour. And basically I'm going to leave the bike with him, and that's it really. So the bike's not going to get wrapped today, as I said before, but we'll get an idea of what they can do in here, which is some pretty amazing stuff. Don't know whether we're going to go with like full-on livery or just like a base colour with big odd logos. See what happens, but yeah, let's go and have a look.
It's alright. It's only 9 months. No gorgeous.
How do you guys? So obviously pulled up at GT Grafix. I've got a good friend of mine here, Joe. What Joe does here is not just only wrapping, but you do signs, graphics, everything, don't you, pretty much?
Anything for cars, bikes, shops,
yeah.
Anything that's stickers basically.
So doing a motorbike should be fairly easy, hopefully, especially mine. So we'll have a look through some swatches. I've just de-stickered that bike. It's something I never want to do again. Is that something that you have to do a lot with customers?
Well, we get a lot of customers that obviously have their van signed with us before, and then they get a new van, they have to have it de-stickered, all that kind of stuff, and we actually de-sticker it sometimes, but like I say, we don't do it for now, we do.
Yeah, well,
we obviously get...
I realised very quickly, because people probably turn up and just hope for the best, but there's a lot of work that actually goes into it, isn't there? You don't realise, do you?
It's not just taking the stickers off, it's when the adhesive's left behind and all that kind of stuff, and having the right solution. It's having patience most of all, you know.
And then the same coming to wrapping, you don't just stick it on and hope for the best, do you? You've basically got to prep the surfaces.
Yeah, it takes obviously a proper clean of the car, or bike in this case, and then the right materials, the experience in fitting, taking your time. A car wrap takes between 3 and 5 days to be done properly. You know, but a wrap is only ever as good as the surface underneath.
I've seen some of the wraps, mate, and they're absolutely cool, especially cars when someone goes with a wild colour or whatever. But so this is the swatch, isn't it? This is what we've got to go with.
So we don't know what colour we're going to go with, do we?
No, I mean, how many colours have we got in there?
There's probably about 100 colours in there. I mean,
and obviously you've got metallics, you've got bases, you've got all sorts. Varying in price, I'm guessing, as well.
Well, apart from the pearl ones, I think that they're all around the same price.
Right, okay.
I'd say in this one there's no mirrored vinyls in there, there's no like the gold chrome or anything like that. These are all your basic colours. They get about as extreme as like a heavy metallic or a pearl. But yeah, this is what colour my van is. This is like a nice pearl metallic.
Fantastic.
So I've wrapped my own van.
It's got a bit of like metal flake in it.
Yeah. It's a really nice finish, especially in the sun. It just absolutely bounces. It's brilliant.
See, I honestly can't decide on colour. I mean, the bike's black already. All I do know is that I don't really want it black again, definitely. Let's go with something like white.
A bit eye-catching, yeah?
And to be honest, like I've seen your work, so I'm pretty much happy to leave it with you. And I think, let these guys guess what we're going to go with. And hopefully the next video will be basically the finished product. We'll see. Unless you're ringing me, going, this bike is horrendous.
Not doing it.
But no. So I think, I mean, looking at that colour chart, what do you reckon we're going to go with? We're going to go with a base colour, obviously. We're not going to go with all livery over the bike, I don't think. We'll have a little bit. What base colour do you reckon we'll go with? This is basically where they'll be doing the wrapping, and we've actually got the bike in the light now, and we can see it a bit better. I've pretty much scotched all the bodywork, haven't I? Just getting all the old stuff off, ready for Joe. Like we said, rather than him having to get all the sticky adhesive off.
It's smoothed it out a lot.
Yeah.
It's definitely obviously it's not the best surface we've ever worked on, but it's died by far from the worst. So. Yeah.
And it is workable.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, definitely. Because you said you've had stuff with cracks before and stuff like that, and there's a couple of airline cracks in it, but I think it make a massive difference.
As long as the bodywork doesn't move on itself like that.
It's not flexing too much
it's perfect.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we pretty much wrap it as it is, or we take all the fairings off?
So yeah, pretty much every bit of fairing will come off. The tank, the tail, the belly, everything that we can take off, we'll take off. Right, it just makes it easier to get around the edges, get full coverage basically. You get a way better finish if you take the fairings off.
These colours, I can't believe I'm leaving this with you. I'm a bit nervous, but no, that's cool. I'll leave it with you. I mean, looking at the array of colours now. But then I like that, but that's Kawasaki colour. So basically, I'm going to leave this with Joe, I swear to God. I'm not going to pick the colour, I'm not going to have any contact. We're going to come back. But yeah, that's it really. So stay tuned. Wish us good luck with it. Bye.